What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So actually today, if you look, I have nothing made. I finally got everybody's orders done. I'm super excited about that. So I'm kind of taking a little break this week from all the epoxy and crafting and all that stuff. But keep your eyes open because next week I am doing some of these epoxy scratcher coins for Bad Bass Scratching. That's another scratching lottery ticket scratching channel. If you guys haven't, go over check her out. So I'm going to be making her some little channel coins. I definitely am going to do some more Game of Life, coaster sets. I'm going to do a domino set. And I'm going to work on 2 more cups for the channel. But there's that, you guys. I had to take a little break. I've been exhausted from doing everything. But this is the time. I'm done with everybody's orders. So if you guys wanted to special order something or have me make something for a Christmas gift for somebody, this would be the time to do it because I have everybody's orders done and knocked out. Thank you for all the love and support. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. September was an extremely busy month. So, like I said, there's no fancy video today of me showing you guys what I'm making or popping out because it is all done. And I'm super ecstatic about that. But now I'm like, oh, shit, I don't have anything to make for you guys. So I'm going to make some regular coaster sets. With this color and just my regular sticker for my other channel. This color here will be for Bad Bass Scratch's background on her, on their channel coins that I'm going to be making out of epoxy. To give you an idea what I'm talking about, I have some of mine here that I made. I did some clear, but see this one I over poured, so I have to go through and trim that down. They are 1/4 inch thick and they're 2 inches in diameter, same size as my channel coin, Gaming and Gambling's Tennessee Ticketmaster. They work really good for scratch the tickets. So that's what I'm doing. If you want these made for your channel or for whatever reason, a set of 8 is $40 and I pay for shipping. You guys don't have to pay for shipping, but you gotta remember it takes time, okay? It takes, 24 hours for each layer of epoxy set. And then when they're all done, you pop them out the mold. You really want to let the stuff set for a week. I'm going to do another tic-tac-toe game for a giveaway. I'm going to do another domino set for a giveaway. Obviously, the Game of Life coaster sets. I appreciate all the love and support from everybody. You guys are amazing. This channel's getting there slowly, but you know what? I am okay with that. I think this color is absolutely gorgeous. And I think it goes good with her logo here. If you look at it. If I can get my fat head out the light. I think that'll go really good with it. Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice. Alright, you guys, it's a very short video. I'm trying to make it at least 3 minutes. I did do my set of nails. I'm not sure if I want to put those on. I'm not real happy with those. Trying to think what else. But yeah, if you guys want anything custom order, Christmas is coming, y'all. It's October 1st. Can y'all believe it? Alright, you guys have a great rest of your week. And until next time, bye.